we go.
This is a one summer Euro nymph I fished if I can only pick one. 6 materials, 3 minutes to tie, and I'm going to show you exactly how I tie it. I have a fulling milled jig force hook, size 18 in the vise. This is a hook that I'm using for all of my Euro nymphs. I've got a 2.8 millimeter slotted tungsten bead in the color copper with that. And I'm going to be using some UTC 70 denier thread in the color olive. I'm just going to get my thread started right behind the bead. Wrap it back a little bit, cut off my tag, continue all the way back to where the barb would be on this hook, and I'm going to wrap it quickly forward behind the bead. I'm going to get my next material, which will be my rib, and that's going to be some sulky metallic thread in the color silver. I'm just going to tie that in right behind the bead and wrap that all the way back to where I finished up the thread, back here where that barb would be. Now I'm going to take some Superfine dry fly dubbing in the color Callibaetis. I really like this for caddis. I'm going to take a little bit, just dub a really thin noodle. Don't need a lot, I'm just basically dirtying up the thread here. I really don't have a lot here. I'm going to wrap that forward. I'm just building a slightly tapered body until I get right up here behind the bead. So I've got a little bit of that tinsel there. All right, now I'm going to take that metallic thread, the sulky metallic thread, and I'm going to counter wrap my fly just to protect it from those fish's teeth. A couple quick turns of thread to lock that in place. Cut it off. Now the last thing is going to be some Arizona synthetic dubbing in the color Peacock. Just something a little darker to contrast. I'm going to use this to lock that bead in place. So I'm going to get a nice generous amount here. Dab that on again. Wrap that. Now I'm pulling that dubbing into the bead to lock it in place. All right, just a quick dab of super glue here. Couple quick wraps. Now whip finish, 2-turn whip finish. And I like the fly being this buggy, so I am not going to trim it, but if you want to trim it, go ahead. And that's it. I really like this fly in the summertime. I fish it on the point. I'll fish it on the dropper when a caddis hatch is happening. And one of my favorite ways to fish it is actually to swing it wet fly style and just feel that grab. So have a go at it, tie some up, and see how they do for you.